Are you tired of working long hours on site and dreaming of a desk job as a planning engineer or quantity surveyor? I was once in your position. Today I'll show you exactly how to make that shift, what skills to learn, tools to master, and how to make your profile stand out. First up, you need to understand what these office roles actually demand. Unlike site work, office roles are more about documentation, coordination, and data. So let's break it down. As a planning engineer, your job is all about scheduling, resource planning, and project tracking. You'll be spending a lot of time with tools like Primavera and MS Project. On the other hand, a quantity surveyor focuses on estimation, billing, rate analysis, and quantity takeoff. That means mastering Excel and AutoCAD, with some exposure to Bluebeam or PlanSwift for takeoffs. Now let's talk about the software you'll need. Start with Excel, trust me. Every QS or planner needs to master formulas, pivot tables, and templates. Primavera P6 can take you far in planning roles. For QS work, get comfortable reading and extracting measurements using AutoCAD. Bluebeam and PlanSwift are huge pluses, and if you're aiming for BIM-based roles, Revit is the way to go. Here's the thing, don't just watch tutorials, actually build your skill set with mini projects. Pick a small plan, create a bill of quantities, prepare a Gantt chart for it. Upload your work to your LinkedIn or portfolio. Real projects show real skills. Once you've built some projects, update your resume and LinkedIn. Highlight your site experience, but make it clear you're shifting toward planning or QS. Mention your software proficiency and attach proof of your work. When you're ready to apply, target consultancies or contractors that offer both site and office roles. Look for positions like junior QS, billing engineer, or planning assistant. These entry-level jobs help you bridge the gap. Here's a bonus tip. If you can, get mentorship or intern under a planner or QS. Even shadowing a senior for just a week will teach you more than any course. Shifting from site to office isn't running away, it's evolving. Learn, adapt, and own your engineering journey. And hey, if you want a free Excel BOQ template or a Primavera plan sample, drop a comment or DM me on LinkedIn. I'll send it to you.